guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a foundation review video. So today I'm testing out this No7 foundation. Now this is the No7 Hydraluminous Moisturising foundation and it's in the shade Porcelain. So I have one or two other foundations by No7 that I really love. It's a little bit more of a pricier brand compared to maybe L'Oreal or NYX or Maybelline, but I really do like using their foundations. This one is obviously a very hydrating, radiant, refreshing kind of foundation. It says it gives you visibly fresh and radiant skin, medium coverage, and it has SPF 15 and it's also suitable for sensitive skin. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly spray my face using the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. So while that's drying, I'm just going to read out a couple of things from the foundation. So like I said, it's SPF 15, really important for me in a foundation, particularly more so spring, summer. But the sun is always there in the daytime, so it's always good to have an SPF any time of the year really. It says it gives you a natural finish with a healthy, everyday, all day glow. It has lots of antioxidants, vitamins and moisturising qualities. It says medium coverage, but I've got a feeling it's going to be light to medium. And yes, in the shade Porcelain, which I think is the palest shade. So we'll see. So I'm going to be using my Morphe M439 brush to apply it. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, so instantly, straight away, I love it. First of all, the colour match is pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's almost spot on. It's actually more full coverage than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be light to medium, but it is actually medium coverage. It looks really nice on my skin. It's got that glowiness to it. It's nice and fresh on my skin. It looks like my skin but better, but it also gives you that bit of coverage as well. I absolutely love the way it feels on my skin. It feels so lightweight, doesn't feel heavy, it feels really comfortable to wear. And as you saw, it was really smooth and creamy to apply. And I did 2 squirts of it maybe. One big one at the start and then a smaller one at the end. So yeah, I really like the way it looks so far. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup off camera and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay, so I'm back. I have my full face of makeup on and my thoughts on this foundation are very positive. I love how it looks on my skin. It looks really natural, really fresh on my skin. I really like the way it looks. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels so comfortable to wear. I feel like this would be a nice spring, summer type foundation. And it has got that dewiness, the hydration in it, but obviously I have oily skin, well, oily to combination skin, so I've set it with plenty of powder. But as a first impression goes, I am very impressed and I do like it so far, so I'm really hoping that it lasts and looks this good throughout the day. So like normal with my foundation reviews, I will check back in with you guys after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation, just to let you know how I feel, how it looks and my thoughts. So yeah, so far so good. So I will see you in 2 hours time and we'll see how it's looking then. So see you then. Hey guys, so it's been 2 hours wearing the foundation and honestly there isn't any difference at all. Like I said, it's only been 2 hours, but it just looks exactly the same as it did when I first applied it. So I haven't gone any more oily, I haven't got any more greasy, it doesn't look cakey, so far so good. So the real test now will be, the next check-in will be after 4 hours from now, which will be 6 hours from when I first applied it. So yeah, so far so good, but we'll see how it's looking then, so see you then. Okay, so it's been 6 hours wearing the foundation, and I've just checked in the mirror, and the only change I can see is that my nose is oily, nothing too excessive. It's actually pretty decent for this time of day. Normally foundations go pretty oily around my nose sooner than this, so it's actually okay. I feel like it is going to get more and more oilier. It is a hydrating foundation, you know, you've got to expect it, but it's nothing too bad anyway. I think it looks just as nice, and the rest of my skin looks lovely and flawless and smooth and natural. So yeah, so far so good. 2 more hours now wearing it, and I'll check back in at the end. But yeah, I really like it so far, so I'll see you in 2 hours time. Okay, so it's been 8 hours wearing the foundation, and the only change since the last check-in is that I'm a lot more oilier around the nose. I'm starting to get slightly oily here, but nothing too serious. There's hardly anything at all. But my nose is really, really oily now, which usually happens with every foundation that I wear at this point in the day. So I actually really like this foundation. It's a really, really good foundation, and I'm not blaming that due to the oiliness. It's just because I have oily skin. So yeah, it definitely gets a big thumbs up from me, and I'd recommend it if you haven't tried it yet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, so that completes my foundation review of the No7 Hydraluminous foundation. I hope that you liked it, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!